If you don't listen, we are going to go back with the information and you'll be left stranded and poor. We want to make you wealthy people of the society. Okay? So what I'm saying is, it does not matter where you come from, it does not matter what you have. This guy is still a student, but he's already on TV. He's a celebrity. Okay, we are moving forward. Okay, Prince Mubai made a point that he's from underprivileged background, you know. Where he comes from, things were not like this. In the history of South Africa, there has never been an organization of this kind, where they're going to give you things which have got motivation, which are going to teach you how to speak proper English. An organization that also makes sure that you have got information about university before you even get to university. In the history of South Africa, we are the very first ones. So what I'm saying is you are the most privileged. Then, on that point, I'm encouraging you to do what you can where you are, to use what you have, to go where most people cannot because of their circumstances. So you're the most privileged, you've got everything. You just have to believe in yourself. No one else will believe in you if you don't believe in yourself. We have got Tshwanelo as a former FA student. So he will just brief you on what he's studying and what he's able.
As my colleague said, I'm Mablane. I'm from here in Wadi, but I'm currently staying at Gauteng. As I was saying, my name is Tshwanelo. I'm from here in Whiteville, but I'm currently staying in Parktown in Johannesburg due to my studies. But I'm here to give you a brief motivation and a brief knowledge, a brief information about what I'm doing. I'm a law student at Wits University, and what I did to get there is obviously study and more study. And what I'd like to tell you is, you guys should take your work seriously, because this is the time that determines your success or your failure. You might not realize it because maybe you're still at high school or here, but it's something that you guys should take into consideration, because what we're going to tell you right now is very important to your future and to your dreams. We might come here and motivate you as much. We can motivate you the whole year, but at the end of the day, it all depends on you. It doesn't depend on me. I might motivate you, but I'm not going to write your final paper. Understand? So I know some of you will never take what I'm going to say seriously, but I would like to wish that if just one of you can grab what I'm going to say to you, I think it will be very fruitful to me, and it will be a pleasure for me. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm studying LLB, as I said, and in order for you to study LLB, at Wits right now they no longer provide LLB, but you can always do BA or BCom. Then after you are done with your BA law or BCom law, you can venture into LLB, because we are the last batch of LLB students at Wits University. You need a bachelor's degree in order to study law in any university in South Africa. Then, in the best university in Africa, which is Wits University, you will need, I think, 38 points, plus or minus. Then, ladies and gentlemen, my speech is very brief, this is what I'm here to deliver to you. But I would like to urge you to work hard on your dreams, to work hard on your schoolwork, and to work hard in everything that you do. And what is important is passion. I think it was a month ago I was with Beruhu. Beruhu is Oscar Pistorius' lawyer, and he said, you know, Mablane, what you should have is he started by saying you should have this. I was like, what's that? He was like, the band. The band. You should have the band in you to work hard. You should have the passion to do whatever you want to do, and you will succeed in life. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you. Thank you.
For the sake of time, let's try to be quiet. Yeah. What he's saying is you should have the